vehicles.
My name's Lisa.
I am Marika.
My name is Barbara.
I'm Corey Peterson.
My name is Fanny.
My name is Tatum Tubbs.
My name is Amy Kay.
I'm the artist who designed and will paint the mural.
Moved here in 2013. My husband was from here and grew up in Lindsborg, and we've always loved this community. I'm the owner of this building.
I've lived in Lindsborg for my whole life.
Lived in Lindsborg almost my whole life.
I'm a native of Lindsborg.
I have lived in the Lindsborg area since 1990. I get to live here in Lindsborg and love it. I've been here 9 years.
I've lived in Lindsborg since I was in 7th grade, and then I was gone for about 4 years.
This was a college student that my husband got to know. The next thing I knew, she was going to paint a mural on this wall, and it was great. It's a great mural, but that was probably 7 or 8 years ago, and I think now is the time for a fresh look.
Well, it's a great space to have something, and it's a good vision to put something here, and I admire anybody who can work on such a large scale.
Got really cool energy. I mean, of course, it is exposed to the elements all the time, so it's starting to fade a little bit.
I remember when it got painted a few years ago. I know my family has a picture in front of it. I think it might be time for something fresh and maybe a little bit more colorful to match the rest of the town. Although I've loved this mural and all of our murals around here, I'm always excited for what's next too.
I think murals really speak, and this is such a huge canvas that I think there's some really cool things that we can do with this wall. Lindsborg is this little Swedish community, and it is a thriving little Swedish community. The people that live here embrace the Swedishness of it, as do I, because this is such like a prominent location that I think it will be really well received by the community as well as visitors.
I have gone to Smoky Valley my whole life, so Vikings are a big part of my life.
Well, from what I've seen in the new design, it will be an eye catcher for sure. It was an amazing piece of art that I can't wait to see what it looked like on a 2.5-story building. But most importantly, being we are Lindsborg and I am Swedish, it's kind of fun to see a Viking.
The colors will be vibrant, and the Viking really speaks to the Lindsborg area.
I like the idea of the hand being out front that the person can stand in and have their picture taken. I don't know, I think it's a neat concept.
I think it looks fresh and new, and I love the colors.
I want to give to the Swedish heritage of the town, especially because I have family roots in Lindsborg.
It's larger than life. It's just a fun, kind of interesting way to look at the Vikings, who seem larger than life when you read about them or you might see movies. We had seen some of the things that he has done before. He's experienced with murals and doing big scale things like this, so we know that he's the right person for this project. With all the different festivals that we have, and in fact today is a crazy Waffeldagen day, and there's lots of people in town, and I just think it will just be a tourist attraction. I think the community will appreciate just another layer of celebrating our Swedish heritage.
It would be a great tourist attraction. It's definitely thematically fitting for the town.
People would hear about it and they'd come to town to see it and have their picture taken with it.
It'll get a lot of attention, and that's what Lindsborg's all about. We've got a lot of unique things in town, and this one will definitely be unique.
That'll be a great place for people to have photo ops.
I think it'll benefit the community by enhancing people's knowledge of our presence and what they could experience here.
It would let me fully invest myself into the creation of the mural.
I don't see this probably happening if we don't have some sort of a fundraiser such as this to be able to support a mural on this size. If people are donating and giving money and don't live in this community, please come see us. Please come visit and say, I want to see that mural that I contributed to, because you will love this community.
If you feel so moved, I hope that you'll donate to this project. Please donate.
Please donate.
Please donate.
Please donate.
Please donate.
Please donate.
Please donate.